Hello everyone, let's make Moringa powder today. So Moringa is also called the miracle tree because all parts of Moringa like leaves, stems, fruits, flowers are very beneficial for our body. So we should consider including Moringa in our diet for maximum health benefits. You can use moringa in various forms like moringa tea, moringa smoothie, and also can mix with moringa with different vegetables because it will increase the nutrition value of the food. So for making moringa tea, I have bought this fresh moringa from market and I took the leaves and threw away the stems. After that, I washed it with the fresh water, so if there is any dust or insect, that gets washed away. And I dried it in the sun for 2 days. So depending on the intensity of the sun, it takes 1 day or 2 days. You may also microwave it to dehydrate the leaves, but for maximum health benefit, I would like to sun dry it. After it got sun dried, and I put it in a blender and made powder of it. See the powder, how nice it looks. And then I'm going to strain it so that extra residue goes away. So I'm going to strain it nicely and take the smooth powder. So please do include moringa in your diet, guys. It has many benefits. It also kills the anticancerous cells in our body, and it has many benefit, and children must eat moringa in their diet. So here I am going to make moringa tea with the moringa powder. I consume it every day for maximum health benefit.